What is going on here? What is going on here? What the hell? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Watts. This spot that had the Kobe's a while back. Let's go look around. I think this was the only outlet. Did East LA get them too? I don't know. But this is one of the spots that had the pass, the sneakers pass. Let's go look around, see what they got, man. One of my favorite Nike outlets by far. They had the 20 and 20 last week. I don't know if it's still around. All right, let's go look around, see what's up. All right, they told me come to the front over here. They told me I have to come. Just happened to walk in and they might have something. Wait. Oh, over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? What is going on here? What the hell? Got Kobe's? What? All right, that was insane. 6.5 and a 3. Did grab these for friends. One friend and another friend. That is freaking insane. I can't believe I just grabbed Kobe 8s. That is crazy. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't really need these for myself. I was trying to go for friends on these. But yeah, that's freaking insane. That was definitely a surprise. That's why you need to be on the mound. All right, let's go look around here. All right, I would post it on my Instagram, but look, it's already getting crazy. It is already getting crazy. Already at least 20 people in line. What did I say, 20, 15, 20? I don't know. And that's just literally within minutes. And we got people coming in left and right asking for it. I did talk to workers. I did tell them I'm not going to post it because it's going to get even more and more crazy here. The more people come, and they're trying to keep things low. But yeah, I'm gonna look around some more. I do have a Nike return in a few minutes as well. So yeah, let's go back to the store. All right, starting with the smaller sizes. Look at this. Jordan retros available at the Nike outlets. These are fire. 8.5 for these bad boys. There's 2 bills. You do get 30% off. That is the current deal. Off the back wall at least. You got SB Forces, $43 for those. That's a size 9. And that is gently worn. Air Force One mid right here going for way too much at $110. That is like new. Got some Scorpions going for $250 right here. Size 9.5. Zoom GP Turbos. I'm trying to find some dope refurbished stuff. $75 for those. 6.5 right here. 6.5 Y. Jordan 2s. 8.5 UNC mids right here. Go for $125. Got these right here. More mids. $135 for those. Jordan 1 low retro OGs. $140. Let me see if I can fit 9.5. Let me see. Because these do tend to run big. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Do have slides on. But as I've said, you always got to be ready. Always got to be ready. Yeah, too small. Too small. I do have a 10 at home, so I did get the right size. I didn't even have a chance to try them on. That's why I was like, let me try them on. But I do love the workers here. Box top right there. Oh my God, you guys are just wonderful. I love the box top. That's fire. Dub Zeros going for $55. Damn, I was hoping to find something in a size 9. Running shoes or something. Nah, not really. Max R4s go for $85. Size 9. Moving up to the 10s. $93 for these bad boys. What? Got these here. This is pretty fire. Oh, regular price though. I was like 36s? No, 35s. Jordan 35s. Haven't seen these in a while. And these are actually pretty dope. This is like size 12 right here, but it is going for retail $180. Too high. Vapor Max 2023 flying in size 10.5. Go for retail $60 for these. That is hell of a deal, especially with that 30% off. Vapor Max 90s 10.5. Go for $65. That is a bargain, especially with that extra discount. Keep talking about this extra discount. It's just kind of crazy. I was like, oh, are these Jordan? No, they're not. Zoom Generation 1s. $190 for those. That 30% off. That is cheaper than the clearance store. We saw one at the clearance store, and it was more than that. Jordan 1 mids, $125. Flyknit Racers, $80. Cheaper than Ross. Icon 8s going for $70. Got a new one of these because I've been lifting lately. I don't have any Metcons to be really honest. 70 to get 30% off. That'd be what, $49? I just spent money on sneakers, never mind. We'll put these on pause for a minute. You know, because they have Metcons. You can find them. 70 for that one too. More 10.5. Do got Turbo Next Natures, Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. And yeah, these are down to 75. Pretty solid price. Pegasus 40 size 11 go for 65. Air Max 1 are these? Oh, I thought these were the dirty denims. Okay, these are going for 170 size 11. iShod Premiums if you're a skate SB fan. Super cheap, 55. Pegasus 39, 65 for those. What are these? Oh, these are cleats. I was like, what the heck? Nike Griffey tubes? $150 for these. I wasn't. Oh, okay. I wasn't aware of that silhouette, to be honest. Size 12. Jordan 37s. Gently more $93. I'm being all nosy. I'm like, hey man, y'all got returns? What? Got Dunks right here. Size 9. These are women's. $125. And I love this one because, you know, they throw this stuff on the back wall. You know, they throw majority of the stuff. And look at this. Look at this. Size 10. I could totally grab these. Of course, I already got one, so I don't really need one. And I'm really not doubling up on stuff right now. But look at this. That is fire. To be able to get it for a 30 off. Holy cow. Holy cow. And then, look at that. Did they save that? Did they save that box right there? Did they save that box top? I'm just saying. And it went that quick. Someone just grabbed him already. He supports the channel, so appreciate you, brother. Dang, dude. That's how quick you gotta be at the outlets, man. You gotta be quick. They're throwing these out for Big Feet Gang too. Look, like we haven't seen these in a while. What the hell? Size 15. Haven't seen these in a while. These are huge. Holy cow, these are huge. And there you go. There you go. Yeah, got heat for Big Feet Gang. 30% off. That's what's up. Finishing up with Big Feet Gang. $120. Air Max 90s right there. Air Max 2090s going for 95. LeBron Lows right here going for 80. That's size 12. All right. Now what's this? I'm just curious on what this is. Renew Elevate $40 size 17. All right, we're gonna check out the aisles. Do got some Revolution 6s. Like when I say generic shoes, these are the generic shoes. I didn't even show them because nobody asked for these, right? Free Metcon 4s. Supposedly really good to work out, and I think this is the exact colorway that LeBron wore last season. I think during the playoff game, like or right before the playoff game when he showed up to the gym like 4 hours early. This wild colorway. Metcon 8s with the React on the back. Oh, dude, got a bunch of these. I don't think I showed these. These are on the wall. These are the Beachroot Air Max 97s. These have been at this outlet for quite some time. And the back wall go for $120 to get that 30 off. I guess it's 38s. Another one of those. Another one. 39, you get 30% off. That's pretty fire. Another one of those. I guess Trail 3s. Another one of those. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. White and black. The Jaw 1s already at the Nike outlets. I know they're going for retail, but eventually they will go down in price. That's hell of a surprise. Wow. Cosmic Unity Team Bank colorway. Then they do have Immortality. We've seen these a million times, so I'm not going to cover those. $50 is a solid price though. Also seeing a lot of these Team J's. We've been seeing plenty of these. And then Zoom Freaks going down in price big time. Witness 4s. Did I say 4s? Witness 6s. What colorway is this one? Alright, that's this colorway right here. 90 for these. Jordan 3 Hydros. Man, there have been a couple people that came up to me. I forgot to get your guys' names. I'm tripping. I was so excited about the Kobe's and stuff. My psyche's all thrown off and stuff like that. Jordan 1 Tick 4s. Lucas going down in price. Black and white colorway. These are pretty fire, especially at that price. That's what's up. Got Brandy playing in the background. Grew up with this stuff, man. I remember sitting on the bus in LA. I used to take the bus everywhere in high school because I didn't have money for a car. Went off on a big tangent. All right, dude got Jordan 37 premiums. It's crazy how music just makes you remember stuff. But yeah, got another one of those. The song is just legendary though, my bad, dude. Got Jordan Access, got all kinds of Jordan non-signatures. More Team Jordans on this side. These Dub Zeros, I think these are one of the doper ones. I'm being all nosy while they're about to put stuff up. Look at this. This is fire. This is fire. This is the Air Force One Craft. This is one that I've been telling you guys to get. Not the regular Air Forces, but the Air Force One Craft. This has have that upgraded leather. You see that tumbled leather right there. You see that suede on the back. And you see that little Air Force One logo on it. These are fire. I so prefer these more than the regular Air Force Ones. And they kind of look like regular Air Force Ones. You know what I'm saying? People will think it is. The creasing is going to be a lot different. It's going to be a lot better. Yeah, man, these are fire, dude. Look, gently worn, $60. You get another 30% off. Has it been gently worn? Someone just came up to me. They're like, these aren't the real Forces. I was like, depends on your definition of real Forces. Like, you know. But yeah, I don't see any wear. No, I don't really see anything. No, I don't know why they call these gently worn. I don't know. I don't really see it. I don't know. It is a return, obviously, but okay. I do got Jordan 1 low golf right here. Jordan 1 high fly ease. Also got some Dub Zeros. Jordan 7 black olives. Got some blazers on sale. Sakai blazers. These going for even less money. Acronym blazers right here. Air Flight 89s. We've seen some of these on the clearance wall for hella cheap lately. Air Force One mids. Lows right here. Got some highs. Some utilities. Some wheat highs. Or wheat mids, my bad. Then got Billie Eilish going for way cheap. Way cheap, and you can see it without the buckle on. But yeah, the material on this so soft. So freaking soft. Way different too, so if you like different Forces, check these out. And then got Air Max 2017. It's got several colors of those. And it spills over even into the women's sizes right here, women's section. 270s for the men. Air Max 90s right here, not too bad. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. The nylon, that's gonna yellow eventually, but super nice. Got some suede on the bottom right there. Era Escapes right there. More Air Max 90s. Oh, and we're finally in the women's section. 270s right here. Another one of those. Third 270. Air Max 97. Women's 2017. A trio of those. Last one right here. This is a weird colorway though. Infinity One Flyknit 3s. This one, I like the price. These are some 2s right here. Don't think there's that much of a difference. I think a little bit on the upper. Jumpman 2 trays. Jordan 12. Is this the Hyper Royal? And then got these Jordan 5 lows. Up to size 11. Women's. These ain't bad. They're not bad. Kind of rough. Got a few more to show you guys. Blazer mids. Another one right there. Platforms. Air Force One platforms, that is. Last one right here. And then looking at the end caps, undefeated Air Force One highs. They had all 3. Now they're down to 1. Got one of the Sakai waffles right here. Noctas going for 150. Normally 180, so slight discount. And Forces. I got Forces up here. All right, guess that's how they do it out here. And Jordan 5, 7s. The Rui Hachimura's got a 5.5. Is this really a 5.5? This seems bigger than a 5.5. The hell? All right, I'm gonna make a return. I think we're gonna go home. Let's go home and let's talk. Let's talk about some of the interesting stuff that we saw today. Dang, they still have pairs left. Oh my goodness, this is what happens when all the cook groups don't find out. That's crazy. That's crazy. I am I'm helping them lay low because I'm trying not to provide info. Oh, it even has a carbon fiber on, huh? Oh, holy crap. Okay. All right, guys, one of the crazier trips to the Nike outlet this year did find these bad boys in grade school. One of the crazier finds for sure. Kobe 8 Halos did find these in a grade school and preschool. Got these for a friend, but I think she already got a pair. So I guess I have a piece of trade bait in the future. I thought these were super plain, but if you look really into it, there are tons and tons of intricate details. Of course, if you look on the back heel right there, you do see the signature right there. Little Kobe logo in the front, that is pretty fire. You actually look all along the midsole, there are a bunch of little Kobe signs. You can see it on the back right there. Even on the medial side, you do get all the tiny Kobe symbols. Also get carbon fiber plate along the bottom right there. All along the outsole, you do get some herringbone traction, and then you get an interesting overlapping triangle shape on the bottom right there. That is kind of interesting. Of course, another Kobe logo in the back. Then you get a Nike swoosh on the medial side right there. And then the most interesting thing, I had to look this up because I wasn't sure if this was Braille. Apparently it's Kobe code. He has his own code, kind of made his own language, I guess. If you look at some of the different Kobes, they say different things. You look at the Kobe 6 Black Del Sols, it says Black Mamba. Wolf Gray 7, it says Sheath. And then you look at these bad boys right here, it says Chase Perfection. That's what it says. He does have an entire coding system. There are people that did break the code. So yeah, thanks to you guys that do all that work online, because I ain't got time for that. But yeah, these are pretty fire. The last super unique feature on this shoe, they got some emblems right here. I don't know if they're emblems, I don't know if they're emojis. I was wondering if they're 2K badges. If they're 2K badges that Kobe had on I don't know, some of the years. I don't know, but that is pretty fire. I just noticed that. And like I said, they do have a ton of little intricate details, pretty fire. I wouldn't have known these unless I had these in hand, so that is pretty dope. And yeah, to be able to get some grade school, that is pretty fire. I had no clue that those were there and just walked right in. I happened to be talking about Kobe's because they actually had them a few days before. They had the sneakers pass that I missed out on. Congrats to those of you guys that did hit. But yeah, I definitely wasn't able to get my size. But yeah, it was pretty crazy that I happened to be talking about them. And then I walk in and then they're like, hey, you probably might want to go to the front. I was like, what? So that was pretty fire. If you guys were able to grab one, congrats. Like I said, I tried to lay low because they were trying not to have a big old mob there and stuff like that. So you know, I just go in and out. You know what I'm saying? I try to give you guys as much information, but I try to stay in good standing with the staff and stuff like that. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty fire. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You know, once again, I do apologize for not being able to share the info, but yeah, pretty fire. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. Got plenty videos, you guys. Got tons and tons of videos. Check out one of these dang videos, man. Got tons of videos, man. Throw up pretty much a video every day. I drew up like 36, 37 videos last month, man. I try my best. So got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.